Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bosch ice maker not working in 2026. So when the Bosch refrigerator ice maker has stopped making the ice, this particular thing usually means that there is a problem with the water flow or freezer temperature or the ice maker system itself. So before checking the hardware, you need to make sure that the ice maker is actually turned on. Inspect the ice maker power switch, control panel ice setting, vacation mode. So many Bosch models can disable the ice production through settings alone. So if the ice production resumes, the issue was system configuration related. So Bosch ice maker require sufficiently cold temperature to function properly. So you need to ensure that the freezer remains near 0 degree Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. If temperatures are too warm, the ice production may stop entirely. So you can check for airflow blockages, frost buildup, overload freezer compartment, and improper temperature settings. Now sometimes no water means no ice production. So you can also check for the kinked water lines, frozen fill tubes, closed water valve and low water pressure. A restricted inlet valve can also prevent tray filling. So if water flow returns, it means that ice production may normalize. Now many Bosch units include a reset or test function. So you can use that reset button or the cycle power to recalibrate the ice maker. If the tray begins cycling afterward, it means that the issue may have been a temporary sensor or motor glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.